We are back to the vlogs. I am so excited for this vlog in particular. I think it is one of my most exciting and important vlogs on my channel. We started with a date night, right? Chill, cool. We went for dinner, we saw the Odyssey, I had a bubble bath, I relaxed, we had a good night. Following day, we go shopping because I had to pick up some presents for some friends and some family members. It was also so low on my bath bombs, so I had to restock at the Rustic Tub. So I picked up some of the Dragon Egg Surprise bath bombs, which ended up having something really cute inside. If you follow my Instagram, you'll see what was inside. I had to check out Winners, and I was so happy to see the Halloween decorations already out. I know a lot of people are gonna say it's too early, but I live for fall and Halloween. Despite the fact that we left for a little bit when we first planted our veggie garden, and we also planted it later in the season than we would have liked to, it's doing really well, and I've been able to harvest a lot of these green beans as well as some tomatoes, and they are honestly so much tastier when you know where they came from and you grew them yourself. So we've got these green beans from the garden. They're so tasty. I'm going to try to use the infused olive oil with them while I saute them, and it is 9:30 a.m. but I teach from 11 to 12 and 1 to 2, so I want to have these today and cook them before they go bad because they don't last that long in the fridge and we're gone for a few days. So I just rinse them, gonna chop them up, saute them with some balsamic as well. We've also got 3 lovely cherry tomatoes. It's also Eternal Sunshine Tour Eve. I'm using the Sky High from Maybelline. They sent me this mascara as part of a collab with Garnier, and I'm trying out their product. We have a very long train ride. Hang on. We have a very long train ride today. We are hopping on the GO, and then when we get to Union, we're hopping on the Via to go to Montreal to see Ariana Grande. I'm so excited. This is going to be, I told Steve, it might actually be the best day of my whole entire life. Aside from getting married to him, of course, but I'm just so excited. I'm gonna take you guys alongside of me. We're gonna put this away because I'm bringing this mascara. I'm also going to bring the micellar cleansing pads and their micellar water since they sent it to me. This little card. We're gonna, just pack up all the stuff to get ready. Of course, I have to smell good on the train. I woke up feeling really excited, really good about this weekend. I can't wait. I also can't wait to just explore Montreal. I haven't been since I was a teenager, and I don't honestly remember too much of it. So I'm really looking forward to exploring. We're going to do a little bit of concealer so I look a little bit more awake, and also cover up a little bit. I'm not gonna do too much makeup though because I don't wanna wear anything too heavy on a travel day, or I'm gonna be on a train for a long time. Since Union also has a Sephora, I'm gonna stop in there and probably get some face masks to do for some skincare on the train. So we also get in very late. We get in at like midnight. So we get in at midnight, and then we have a reservation booked the following morning for a brunch place downtown in Old Town Montreal. And then I'm just gonna spend the whole day getting ready because I did get a ticket for 5:15 for the pop-up to get some Ariana merch, and then I'm going to the concert. Anyways, I gotta go, I'm running late. Excited?
Yes.
Because we didn't want to worry about the stress of driving all the way to Montreal, and the gas was actually more expensive than taking the train, we ended up taking the GO train as well as the Via train. Now, we bought our tickets well in advance. We bought them pretty well as soon as you can, or in as far advanced as you can, because the business class tickets were actually not that much more expensive than the regular tickets. We only ended up getting business class on the way to Montreal, and I'm so happy that we did because we had kind of a layover between the GO train and the Via train, and it was nice to have a business lounge to sit in, relax in, and to drop Steve off while I went shopping in Union. I love Miniso. I think that's how you say it. They just have the cutest things, and the one in Union is so big compared to the one that they have in the mall near me. I picked up this little surprise Hello Kitty character-like thing and some sushi before boarding our train. We also tried Craig's cookies for the first time, and they were so delicious. I would highly recommend the business lounge. On the train, we made it. Almost there. Almost in Montreal. Now, the train ride itself from Toronto to Montreal was about 5.5 to 6 hours, so we had a lot of time on our hands. We spent that time by making friendship bracelets to give out at the Eternal Sunshine Tour to other fans. Now, being in business class, you do get unlimited drinks and bar service, and you also receive a meal, and the meal was really delicious. I had the vegetarian meal, Steve had the lactose-free meal, so we still had a lot of time on our hands, and friendship bracelet making out, we decided to watch Twilight and New Moon. Honestly, it was getting more and more challenging to make these bracelets as I started running out of letters, but it was so much fun, and I'm so grateful that I have a fiance who wants to make them with me. Now, again, this is my meal. It was super, super good. The train left Union at about 6:08 p.m., and we arrived in Montreal at around 11:45 p.m., and it was so late, it was also a full moon. Our hotel was only a 10-minute walk away, and when we got there, I spent the rest of the evening, or lack thereof, I guess it was the morning, listening to Pedal. Good morning vlog. It's like 9:30, we slept in. We had a long travel day yesterday, but I've got my Nespresso. I love that they gave us real mugs. Nespresso's good, and I like that it's Nespresso. We're gonna get changed. We're going to a brunch spot in Old Montreal, and then I'm definitely gonna come back to the hotel to get ready before the concert, because I don't wanna wear what I'm wearing to the concert out just in case I spill anything on it, because it is white. But let's get changed. We obviously can't wear this, can we? Good morning. The album is so good too. Oh my god. The album is so good. My favorite songs are Oh Well, Kiss Me, and Like I Do, Like I Can, Like I Do, Like I Do. Those are my top 3. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited to see Mother tonight. I'm so excited. This is the dress we're going with. I think it's cute. Nice little daytime dress. I'm not gonna do too much makeup just because I'll be doing makeup when I get back. So I'm just gonna wash my face with the Micellar Cleansing Eco Pads. And then I'm gonna do some makeup. Steve's working on the friendship bracelets. We're supposed to get good weather too, which is really good. I'm just gonna let this soak in because I won't be able to do my makeup with a wet face. What the heck? The little thing came off, so I can't curl my lashes. What the heck? Yeah, it's missing the thing. I'm just going to apply some nice and dewdrops. I bought these yesterday at Sephora just to have a little bit of a more bronzy glow. Kind of even out my skin tone a bit too. It's got this like sparkly iridescence to it as well. I really appreciate and like. Yeah. Just gonna do a little bit of concealer on my spot. I'm gonna use a combination of these two, the Sky High from Maybelline that they sent me and the Too Faced waterproof mascara. Maybe I'll put this on top. Yeah. No, this one's got like a thinner bristle, so I'll do that after. This lighting is really good for doing makeup. It's gonna be good tonight. You excited, Steve? Yeah. Oh yeah. That is the finished look. I'm gonna add some more jewelry. Probably keep my hair down too. Finished look. I have so many friendship bracelets on. It's crazy. Not only was the hotel really, really close to the station, but it was also really, really close to Bell Center. So we walked through Bell Center a little bit, saw the lineup for the box office tickets. I really hope a lot of people got tickets because I know it can be a long time to wait. And this show in particular was really, really challenging to get tickets. And I am so fortunate and I'm so grateful that I even got one ticket. Anyways, leading up to the show, we had, again, a lot of time on our hands. So we were exploring Old Montreal. We were exploring as much as we physically could by foot. There is honestly so much to see in Montreal, and I feel like we barely scraped the surface of it because we were kind of working with a time constraint. We had our 11:30 a.m. brunch reservation, and I really didn't want to feel like I was in a rush getting ready for the concert. So after we had brunch, we grabbed a coffee, a croissant, and headed back to the hotel so I could get ready for the Eternal Sunshine Tour. How is it? Yeah. Okay, we're back at the hotel. This is the outfit. I might buy the gloves at the pop-up. I have to leave in about an hour for the pop-up. It's literally just down the road, which is super nice, but I have this skirt. I think it's cute. This is just a little bit wonky, but that's okay. And then I have my boots as well, and the shirt, I'm actually gonna pin it like right here, so it's a little bit off the shoulder. That's just a cuter vibe. The only thing is it gets all wrinkly, so we'll just put it like half pin like that. Yeah, and then I'll wear my normal jewelry. I'm gonna do the ponytail first though, because I feel like that's gonna take the most amount of time. So we're gonna brush this hair out. And the food should be arriving literally any moment. So I'm gonna do my hair, then do my makeup. And recently she's been doing a side part, so I'm gonna try to do that in my ponytail. One thing I forgot to get was hairspray, and I'm very sad about that because my hair is not gonna stay, it's gonna get all frizzy. Ponytail is iconic. I think what I'm gonna do is do like a little sideways swoop into it, but I don't have hairspray. I feel like I have that like hair flyaway stuff. No, I don't. I know I don't. I just realized that. Clone is back. I really forgot hairspray. Okay, I should have done my hair, then the fake pony's hair to blend it in. What do we think? What do we think? Does it? I need hairspray. That's one thing I forgot. Okay, we're gonna do some eye masks while I do the rest of my makeup. I'm kind of running out of time though, so maybe I shouldn't do the eye masks. Oh well. Oh well. Oh no, my hair. We need this caffeine under my eyes. Steve? Oh, no! It's okay. Oh, there we go. After getting ready, we headed to the pop-up, which was again also down the road. We really lucked out with the location of our hotel because it was really close to the Bell Center, really close to the train station, and also really close to the pop-up. So we didn't have to do too much walking, and my feet were so tired by the end of the night. I'm so happy that we didn't have to do too much walking beforehand because I can't imagine what it would have been like had we had to walk miles and miles and miles. Honestly, I was a little nervous going to this concert by myself. I've never been to a concert or really anything by myself. I mean, I grew up pretty much an only child and I'm used to my own company, but going to a concert is a social thing and I was really nervous going, but everybody was so kind. The girls in the line next to me were really, really nice. I ended up giving all of my friendship bracelets out to people that I met. Honestly, going to the concert alone was a whole vibe. It was so much fun and I'm such a huge fan, so I'm really happy that I treated myself to this. It was definitely a once in a lifetime show. Anyways, enjoy the rest of these clips. I'm either screaming, singing, or shaking the camera up and down because I was so excited. I hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out, and until next time, bye now. I don't care what people say is true, say it's true. I think we might have to retire because I would like to do more songs from pedal readers.